Well, today my turn it is. I have to do this laundry. Do I have to do it? Oh, that doesn't smell that well. Micko, it's your turn today. We've done it the past times. Now it's up to you. You need to figure it out on your own. Where did you go to? Can you tell me the laundromat where'd you go to? No, we can't help you, Micko. Okay, then it's on my own now. On my own again. They didn't even tell me where did they go to, so I have to find the laundromat and then go. This doesn't smell well. These lazy ones never help. Okay, last time there was a lot less laundry when they did it. Okay, that's a long hallway. Okay, push it, Micko. You can do it. You can do it. Push it, push it. Push it. Oh, this is heavy. This is a lot heavier than last time. Okay, go down. Just push it down. Oh, help.
Micko, you are doing it the wrong way.
What do you mean the wrong way? What do you mean? It's too heavy. What is your recommendation?
You should get a luggage, a bag, and then push it. It's a lot easier.
Didn't think of it.
Okay, try it now.
That's very bright, my friend. Oh, I can push it. Oh, it's too heavy though. Can you help?
You don't want me to help you. I'm too powerful.
Please help.
Okay, I should help you now. Look.
Oh, okay. Okay. Help! Ouch!
Okay, I'm pushing you now. Faster, faster, faster.
Help! Careful! Careful! Oh! On my own again. Sir, can you please help me, sir?
We're going to a party now. I'm sorry.
With that clothing, with that type of clothing, what are you celebrating? The New Year of the Parrot? You want me to believe that? Man. Hey, from the distance I called for help. Can you help?
I'm sorry, Mouse. We're working now.
Okay, have it your way. Okay, isn't that cute, that girl with the doggy? And with cats, never with mice. Yeah, your children. What does it say? Oh, that laundromat is a lot further than I thought. Can anybody help? Sir, can you help me? I want to get to the laundromat.
I cannot help you. I'm late for work.
Yeah, everyone's late for work. Everyone's late. Everyone is doing something, but it's work. I'm getting tired. Oh, finally made it. This is the laundromat the Green Monk recommended.
Just don't get trapped in the machines, Mouse.
Trapped? Who do you think I am? Yourself? Your parents? Don't believe so. The nerve of these children. Okay, let me get push it, Micko. It's really up. Okay, lady, you better watch it. You better watch it. The monk better be right this time. Again, with 1,000 rules just to wash some clothing. Unbelievable.
Hey, Micko, I'm here.
Monk, why didn't you help me all the way here? Well, look who's here now. Monk.
Yeah, you were too aggressive against me. I didn't appreciate it.
Aggressive? You were pushing me really, really harshly. I need something to eat.
You can eat here. Look, no eating.
No eating, yeah. No eating, no drinking, and just washing clothes. So long.
Okay, you first need to read the guidebook to be able to wash properly.
Guidebook? I just want to wash some clothing.
No, it doesn't work that way. Look, you need to open this and read it completely.
Of course, this keeps getting more and more interesting, doesn't it? To wash clothing. Oh, it's all in Japanese though. Why do you even suggest that? I don't understand it.
I feel better if you just open and pretend to read it.
What do you mean open and pretend to read it?
Yeah, I like it better.
I don't understand anything. What am I meant to do all of this? Yeah, look how easy it is. Just open the machine, put the clothing there, and that's it. You need no guidebook for this. I'm doing it on my own. I don't need your help. Just select the clothing, sort it out. Just put it in the machine and that is it. That's it for me. That's it for me.
Just remember, Micko, if something goes wrong, it's your fault.
My fault? Just washing clothing?
Yeah, it would be on you, not on me.
Yeah, you're not doing anything anyway. You're not help at all. Yeah, just grab the cart. Grab the cart. Oh, it's heavy. Grab it here. That's really heavy. And just put the clothing in there and just put it in the machine. That's it.
Before the machine, you need to pay, Micko, 1,000 yen per garment. 1,000 yen per garment. Don't forget that. You see, this happens when you do not read the guidebook.
The guidebook?
Yeah, the guidebook. It's very important in Japan, Micko. You need to read it and understand.
1,000 yen per each piece of clothing. How rich you think I am? Wow. Mamma mia. 1,000 yen per each clothing. Wow. At times I think it's better not to ask anybody for help. Now, okay, I put the clothing in there. 1,600. This is gonna cost me a lot of money. An arm and a leg. Yeah, and not drinks. Yeah, whatever. Wait a minute. Why is this not moving? What's wrong with this? I already paid. Hey, let me get in there.
I wouldn't enter there, Micko. I wouldn't enter there. It's not in the guidebook. What guidebook? I'll have to inspect this. What is it? Oh, yep. Let me just... Why isn't it working?
Dear customer, you have entered the machine at your own risk. Now is it going to close in 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, what is it? Micko, I told you not to get in there. I told you. Told me what? This was not in the guidebook. I told you to read the guidebook first. Are you joking? That guidebook was all in Japanese. You didn't even want to help translate that. Well, I thought it was more interesting if you pretend that you read it. What do you mean? Look what you got me into now. You got into this yourself, Micko. I told you to read the guidebook. Well, just go and get help. Go get the manager. Go get someone to help. I think I need to press this. Do not touch it. It's going to start the machine. No. No. Oh, help. Help. I told you. Well, you didn't want to listen to me. Yeah, I'm not a monk, by the way. I'm leaving now. Bye. Is anybody there? I'm so sorry about Micko. I should probably go and get help. But again, he didn't read the guidebook. I guess I should have translated it for him. Okay, no one's here. I'll probably go home now.
The washing cycle is over. Please come out of the machine. Please try to come out of the machine.
What year is this? Where am I? What is my name again? Okay. Oh, it's just too much. Oh, my head is spinning around. I feel like in a roller coaster. Okay. I can't even read now. Okay. What is that? Where's the clothing? No drinks. Yeah, I need a drink now, I think.
Please, dear customer, you need to dry your clothing. You need to dry your clothing. You can't take it home wet.
Dry my clothing? What are you talking about? Is that the dryer even? Oh, I think I saw a coin in there. Someone forgot a coin. Let me see if I can get it. So I can even pay a bit. All the more that I've spent now. Where is the coin? Oh, my head's spinning so badly. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Let me grab it.
Thank you. The machine will close now.
What? Help! Oh no! Again and again. Am I walking forwards or backwards now? Help! I can take it. I'm dizzy. I'm gonna faint.
Dear and valued customer, given your condition, the emergency services of the laundromat will help you get home now. This is a very special exception of our services because you are the first of our customers who has been trapped into a washing machine and a dryer at the same time.
Thank you for helping me. I don't know how I would even get home without your help. You're very kind, sir. Thank you for taking my clothing as well. By the way, is it dried and folded? Did you fold it? Only up to here. Can you take me all the way up to my apartment? No. Okay. I will just, thank you very much. I'm pretty tired. I'm exhausted. Oh, I don't know. I'm dizzy still as well. Okay. I probably should be able to make it. I'm so tired. Exhausted. My head is spinning. I don't think. Okay, 1 sheepy, 2 sheepy, 3 sheepy, 4 sheepy, 5 sheepy, 6 sheepy.
Oh dear, Micko's there. I should push him. I should be careful this time. Micko, are you awake? Micko, are you alive? Micko, let me push you all the way there. Oh, what happened to you? You didn't get caught in the dryer as well, did you? I hope he isn't mad when he wakes up. Oh. You're right, Monkey. He hasn't moved for the past 2 hours. Should we call an ambulance? Should we call the doctor, do you think? So we should just wait for him to wake up. Oh dear. I'm a bit worried about him now. He's not himself. He's not silly as usual. I heard that. Well, you're up now.
Yeah, of course I am. I've been hearing that. You joke makers.
Oh, Micko, I'm sorry about it, but you didn't really follow the guidebook as I told you to follow it.
Guidebook? It was in Japanese, you monk. And you know what happened to me? I got trapped in the dryer as well, and they brought me here. A gentleman.
Look, there you go. I brought this to you.
Are you kidding, Ryan? Is this a joke? How am I meant to read all this in Japanese? Huh? Bright monk? How do you think?
Let me remind you, Micko, I am not a monk. I'm just a green figure, a green traveler. So stop making fun about me. I don't appreciate that at all, Micko.
Okay, yeah, bury me in this guidebook. Next time, I'm going to put you in the dryer. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video. A new episode is coming every week. See you soon, guys. Just stop recording now.